All right, so I just received this, and I do believe it is a bike phone mount. Let's unbox this bad boy and see what's in here. It's got a little QR code so you can scan it and learn more. Some directions. Another box. Like Christmas, huh? Getting all kinds of stuff. Aha. So I do believe this is what you use to put it on the handlebar. So it's got this little doohickey here, and it comes with a number of different grips so that you'll have enough to lock it on the bar. So let's set that right there. All right, let's see what we got here. This looks like the unit itself. Looks pretty sturdy. Push here to set your phone. So I guess oh, there we go. So it goes like this. So to get your phone in there, you gotta go like that. And it looks like it fits all phones. So that's kind of good. Let's take this off of here. All right, here we go. All right, now we got that off there. All right, so anyway, it comes with this collar, and it unscrews like that, right? And this is kind of like all the other phone other phone holders. You've got this ball and socket. First, you have to put your collar over it like that, right? And then you fit the ball in there. You got to push it hard. Makes a snap noise. This is really beefy. This is this is really a nice, sturdy feeling system. And okay, then you put this on your bike, and then you can put your phone right in there. Let's go ahead and let's turn it this way because it's got the name that way. So I'm thinking that it's going to go like this on the handlebars, right? All right, so now we just got to put a phone in there. I've got this. This is an iPhone 13 in an otter box. Let's see if it works. Look at that. That's in perfect. Let's slide this out of the way so you guys can see. And that's it right there. And now all we got to do is try it. Now this here, you can lock it right back here with this. So if I push it to this side, it locks it in so it won't fall out. Okay? So once you're ready to go and you're riding your bike, let's say if you're going over some rough terrain, you might want to lock that sucker in. So see, I can't pull it. Now if I pop it this way, if I can, now you can pull it to release it. See, now it releases, see? I even have a little bit more room in there. So, whoops. So, I don't want to delete my apps. Look at that. That is a very well put together piece of equipment. And look, check this out. You could use it as a, a tripod, really. I mean, that'll just, bam, you can set your phone down and videotape, yourself if you wanted to. And you can even make it, sit up higher, or you can make it sit up lower. Your choice. But this does go on the handlebars, so we're gonna have to try that out, see how it works. All right? Yeah. All right, so far so good. If you guys are having trouble figuring it all out, you've got your little Lamicall user's manual right here, and it tells you how to use it all in different languages. But I think we figured it out. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos. Oh, wait a minute. I got to put it on the bike, right? Let's do that.